Hello everybody, my name's Tahina and today I will be showing you what I got in the Friends and Family sale from Erin Condren. This box is really big. I didn't get too many things, I only got 4 items. Okay, so the first item that I got, sorry for the glare, but the first item I got is this notebook. I don't know if you could tell, but this is an 8.5 by 11 notebook. And I've been eyeing this cover down for the longest. I'm probably going to get it for the planner too. But I got it. Oh, I like the inside right here. If you can see it. Okay. So, yeah, I like how it's got the cheetah on the inside. So I just got the dot grid because I figured I could use this for either my notes for chemistry or my notes for calculus. So, and it's got a lot of pages. I don't know exactly how many pages there are, but it's a lot. I'm sure I'll cover a semester. And then you just get the regular, like appointment labels. Okay, so that's the first item. Next up, I love using these markers, and this is the tropical, the tropics. I was going to say kit, but anyway, I love these markers, but I did not have these. I believe some of these are copies. Since they were having the sale, it was 25% off. And you could also use a 20% off coupon, which is what I did. So I actually got these for like $5. So I got these. I'm definitely going to use these because I love these markers. Next up, I got the desk calendar. I think that's, or monthly desk pad. I've been eyeing this for the longest. Like I wanted it last year, but I decided not to get it because it is kind of expensive. I believe it's $30 if it's not a sale or anything, and I did not want to pay $30 for it. But because of the 25 and plus the 20% off, I think I got this for like 15 or 18, somewhere around there. So I just got it. I know August and September I can't use, but I could definitely use October and beyond. So I'm happy I got this. I'm definitely going to put it right next to my computer. I love the foiling. I don't know if you can tell the foiling. I don't want to open it yet. But yes, they're all foiled. Every single page is foiled. And I believe, oh yeah, all of these are foiled, different color foils, and then you get a whole bunch of stickers. Can you see? I don't know if you can see this. Hopefully I can zoom in. You get a whole sheet of stickers. Like this whole last sheet right here is full of stickers. Okay. So then the last item I got was a planner. Did I need this? No. I have 3 planners already since the launch. But did I want this? Yes, because I have an hourly in the Flower Power in the binder. I don't know why I always want the binder, but I know I don't use the binder. It's weird. I don't know. Because I got the binder last year and I never used it. So I like the coil. I need to keep the coil. So then I got the coil in the vertical because I make kits for the vertical, and people started talking about how the washi part is different in the vertical, so I needed the vertical. And I thought, well, I'll just use the vertical, as my planner. For some reason, I don't like the vertical. Like, I don't know, just something throws me off with the vertical, which is rare because everybody loves the vertical. So since they were having the sale, I decided to get what I usually get, and I'm not going to change it anymore. So when the next launch comes, I'm not going to get the vertical unless there's changes again. So you get the ruler, like always. I got the Halloween one because I knew that it was going to come around October. The only bad thing is they made me start in September, even though I knew I wasn't going to get the package until October. I wish they let me do October to September of next year, because this is a 12-month. Okay, so I did change the colors. I forget what the colors were. I think the background was black, and I think the house was gray or something. I don't know, but I changed it to this color. Not sure if I like this color. Oh, I like the inside though, with the little ghosts and the skulls. I like that. That's cute. Okay, and your freebie as always, and I got the hourly neutral in the layers, because there's no flower power. What the hell is that? Something's on there. I can't get it off though. Whatever it is. Okay, so if they had it in the flowers, like the neutral, then I would have got that one, because I like the flowers better than the layers. But I just don't like how the flower one, the flowers up here are like last year's planners with the hexagon. Like it's really out here, and the full box won't cover it. So that's why I didn't get the flower power. I'm going to have to go through this, because every now and then I'll get a planner that has either markings in it, like somebody was holding a pen when they were going through it, and there's just like a mark in there. Or my pages might be messed up, or I might be missing something. So I'll go through this to make sure nothing's messed up. Okay, and here's the neutral stickers. I think I got a sticker pack of the neutral ones. Oh, this sticker's messed up. And then the folder, and then I got the petrol calendar before. Or, I mean, I got it this time, because before, whether I use it, I don't use it, but before it was missing that. There's always something going on with my planners. But yeah, so that's everything I got. It's a small haul, but I'm glad I got it. I didn't want to do the big stuff that I really want, like the wall organizer. I want to save that for Black Friday, because Black Friday is 30% off, and you can still use the 20% off too. So, and not a lot of people know that. Or instead of the 20% off, you could use like the codes they give you for like the $25 off, or the 5 or the 10. You could also use that. They say you can't use nothing, but you can use those. So yeah, I don't think they want you to do that or want you to know about it, but you can do it. So I do have a link for the sticker club. I did do a video on the sticker club. I'll put a card up here so you can watch that video. I have a link for just the Erin Condren, and when the seasonal surprise box will pop up, I'll also have a link for that as well. So you can go right to it, and all you have to do is go to the description box.